Welcome back car update session. The 2025 Ram ProMaster is a versatile and reliable commercial van designed to meet the diverse needs of businesses and professionals. Its exterior showcases a practical yet modern design with a bold grille, sleek headlights, and a high roofline that maximizes cargo space. The ProMaster's aerodynamic shape improves efficiency, while its durable body construction ensures it can handle the demands of daily commercial use. Available in multiple configurations including cargo van chassis, cab and window van options, the 2025 Ram ProMaster is built to accommodate a variety of industries from delivery services to mobile workshops. Inside the 2025 Ram ProMaster, the cabin is designed for functionality and comfort with ergonomic seats, durable materials, and smart storage solutions. The dashboard is equipped with the latest Uconnect infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen that offers navigation, smartphone integration, and hands-free capabilities to help drivers stay connected on the go. The cabin also includes convenient features like multiple USB ports, cup holders, and an optional wireless charging pad. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist are available to enhance safety and ease during long drives or busy urban routes. The performance of the 2025 Ram ProMaster is powered by a robust and efficient engine designed to deliver both power and fuel economy. Paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it provides reliable performance for heavy loads and frequent stops. The ProMaster comes standard with front-wheel drive, which improves maneuverability and traction, especially in urban environments. Its impressive payload and towing capacities make it ideal for transporting goods and equipment, while optional upfits allow businesses to customize the van to suit their specific requirements. The 2025 Ram ProMaster is competitively priced, making it an excellent investment for businesses of all sizes. With its combination of practicality, advanced technology, and customizable features, it offers exceptional value and versatility. Whether you need a vehicle for deliveries, construction, or mobile services, the 2025 Ram ProMaster is a dependable partner designed to help businesses succeed. Like my channel, comment and subscribe to watch more car videos.